Hey there, I'm Mike, and today we're going to look at the best resources and tutorials for React developers. React.js is an open-source JavaScript library developed by Meta and is used for efficiently and effectively creating the user interface for front-end websites. If you're a professional looking for the best resources to learn React, we have put together some of the best courses and tutorials in this video. But before we get started, I want to let you know that there'll be links to more resources in the video's description below. And remember, subscribe and ring that bell to get notifications for future helpful content. Now, let's check out some resources. React.js.org is the official website of React where you can read the documentation containing the most reliable information on React and any important news like releases and deprecation. If you are a developer, you may find it easier to understand the official documentation covering almost every React aspect without mistakes since it's written by the React developers themselves. If you have some prior coding knowledge, you can go through the documentation and learn React at an advanced level and know how to use its features. Since React is open source, anyone can view and modify its code to meet their requirements without having to purchase the license. Just install the React environment and implement what you have learned. The React homepage has small examples and comes with a live editor. So if you are new to React, just change something in its code and see the results to learn. With its practical React tutorial, you will know how to build React apps and use it for your purposes. Learn React from Codecademy and build interactive and dynamic web applications easily. Employees from top global companies like Google, NASA, IBM, and Facebook take up courses from this platform. This course will help you develop a better understanding of the React framework and its essential concepts. To take up this course, you must have strong knowledge of JavaScript and basic HTML skills. By acquiring React skills from this course, you will be capable of creating projects like interactive surfaces displaying animal images, authorization forms, random color selectors, and more. It takes 20 hours to complete the course, and you will also earn a certificate with its pro tier. If you're looking for a free React course, Scrimba is a good option for you. It's suitable for people with beginner and intermediate level skills in React. This course will teach you the fundamentals of modern React with 140 coding challenges that will be solving and building 8 fun projects. You'll get to know the updated features of React, fix them faster in your memory, and use them in your projects. In this course, you will build a React static site using the basic principles: a digital business card as a solo project, a travel journal, a notes app, a quizzical, and more. The prerequisites of this game include basic knowledge of HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. Egghead.io offers a course, The Beginner's Guide to React, which is suitable for React beginners wanting to develop a solid foundation on the library. With this course, you'll be able to teach the required skills so that you can easily create React-based web applications. Thousands of learners have taken up this course to know what React is and use it in real-world projects. They have reviewed and updated it to be valid and relevant. It's a 28-part course that comes in a single index.html file. It will help you keep the focus on learning the JavaScript library React without any distractions. It takes 2 hours and 35 minutes to complete the course. You will wrap up this course with a lesson on how to get into a better environment for production-ready development. You will also learn how to deploy your application to a service such as Netlify. So, whenever you come across a JavaScript challenge, you will find out how to take them with React after gaining a stronger knowledge of this library. If you want to confidently ship production-ready, well-crafted React applications like a pro, this course by Epic React will help you. Since building React apps requires you to make clear, expert decisions before writing any code, you must have a strong understanding of this library. It will help you build a maintainable and cohesive code base to help your development team easily build a React-based app serving the actual intent of your clients, customers, or end users. Given tons of options around, it's easy to get confused, but this course will help you make correct choices for your team to succeed and save your resources and time from waste. Epic React offers hands-on practice coding directly in an actual development environment. Its interactive workshops are play-tested in person over several years for developers. These self-paced workshops start from basic React to lessons on building a well-tested React app architecture. The course content is 19 hours containing concise and in-depth video courses with workshops and 10 hours of insightful conversations with experts. As a bonus, you will access more interviews discussing React that rise above what the code covers. This course is suitable for intermediate or advanced developers. The prerequisites include strong JavaScript and web development knowledge with CSS or HTML, and a willingness to complete the work. Udemy is a leading online learning platform that offers thousands of tutorials and courses from various sectors, including React. Here are some of the good React courses that you can try if you have prior coding knowledge. This course, Modern React with Redux by Udemy, is suitable for people who want to learn React and create programs using this library. It will teach you coding in JavaScript using React and Redux and include hooks. With this course, you will be able to create web applications with ease. So far, more than 275,000 students have taken up this course. It was last updated in September 2022, hence, you will get to learn the latest React in English and 13 more languages. This course has been taken by professionals working in top global businesses like Volkswagen, NASDAQ, Box, and more. The course consists of 31 sections divided into 574 lectures, spanning 52 hours and 20 minutes in length. You can access this course on your Windows or Mac computer and your mobile. It's suitable for programmers and developers as well as engineers wanting to master React concepts. The lessons are downloadable and you will get a certificate of completion with this course. For learners wanting to gain in-depth knowledge of React, this Udemy course is great. It will teach you React from basic to advanced level and how to use it in developing real-world projects. You will learn how to build React web apps and launch them using React, Redux, React Router, Webpack, and more. Over 81,000 students have already taken this course. They also keep updating the course to serve the latest content. It's available in English and 8 more languages that you can access for a lifetime. This course takes 39 hours and 11 minutes to complete and runs on Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. The prerequisite of this course includes knowledge of core JavaScript like objects, arrays, functions, callback functions, and more. It aims at turning a learner into a professional React developer who can effortlessly develop, test, and deploy production applications in the real world. In this course, you'll be simultaneously completing given programming challenges and building projects right from the first video. This course by Udemy will teach you React 16.8+, including topics like hooks, Redux, context API, and full stack MERN by developing real-life projects. It's suitable for learners with intermediate and beginner level coding skills. This course has already been taken by more than 33,000 learners from across the world and is available in English, German, and Portuguese. This course is suitable for both beginners and intermediate level React developers. If you want to take up this course, you must have a strong understanding of JavaScript with ES6, arrow functions, and promises. After completing the course successfully, you will gain a certificate. Coursera is also a hub of many quality courses, including React. Its course specialization degrees are created by educators from top global universities and organizations coming from various industries like programming and data science. This specialization course by Coursera will help you master front-end development, server-side web development, and hybrid mobile application development in 8 comprehensive courses. The courses are offered and instructed by the NIIT. The specialization course has nearly 2,000 students already enrolled in the program. With the help of this course, you will easily create robust, testable, responsive, and industry-grade SPAs by following the best practices and design principles. The course duration is 7 months with a flexible schedule. After course completion, you'll get a shareable certificate. Another React course that Coursera offers is Advanced React. This course comes under the Meta Front-End Developer Professional Certificate. It's offered by Meta and taught by the Meta staff and has 4.7 stars. More than 14,000 students have already enrolled in this program. At the end of this course, you will have the potential to create useful React-based applications, develop new skills, act effectively, improve productivity, and give a boost to your career. The course involves flexible deadlines and takes around 26 hours to complete. After the course completion, you will earn a shareable certificate. If you are looking for a free resource to learn React, freeCodeCamp.org is one of your best options. This nonprofit organization has a collection of thousands of courses and tutorials on programming and technology on its website and YouTube channel. Since 2014, this site has helped over 40,000 students learn and get jobs at companies like Amazon, Google, Apple, and Microsoft. They offer many courses on React, including this 7-hour-long course that will help you understand React concepts from the fundamentals to intermediate and advanced levels. You will also learn how to build a real-world application in React. PluralSight is an online learning platform with thousands of courses, including React. All its courses are taught by experienced and skilled tutors so that students can gain the maximum value out of each course. The platform offers excellent React courses to teach you how to build apps with React and Redux. It's suitable for people with intermediate level skills in programming and basic React so that they can easily grasp the skills and create React-based applications effortlessly. There are 16 courses for a total of 38 hours. The learning path starts with an hour and 10-minute course called React the Big Picture to introduce you to React fundamentals and then how to design, style, and render components, test, manage state, and optimize the applications. Another quality website where you can learn React online is AlterClass. Its React course covers almost everything you would need to understand React and create useful applications using the library. AlterClass offers both free and paid courses so that anyone can learn them if they have an internet connection and device to access the courses. Let's look at its free and paid courses. This is a free course on AlterClass that will help you create a full-stack app from scratch with modern technologies like React.js, Supabase, and Prisma. The prerequisite for learning this course is some experience in creating React applications with hooks, as the course will use Next.js, a React-based framework. You must also possess some experience with JavaScript to make the learning path easier. AlterClass is going to launch a paid React course to help you build e-commerce applications using React, Next.js, Apollo, GraphQL, Prisma, and Stripe. It will teach you important concepts so that you will be capable of creating a custom full-stack application. You will learn the concepts from start to finish effortlessly and launch your career as a full-stack developer. The prerequisites of this course include some experience with JavaScript and building React applications and CSS basic principles. Another e-learning platform in this list is Educative. The platform offers many courses, certifications, and tracks for developers wanting to learn React. Whether you are looking for a beginner level or experience level React course, Educative has got you covered. Let's explore some of the best React courses on Educative. This course by Educative will teach front-end developers the skills needed to build an outstanding React application. The course has 4 modules divided into 185 lessons and includes 24 quizzes, 538 code snippets, 58 illustrations, and 176 playgrounds. This course will equip a learner with skills and knowledge of React fundamentals and related technologies like ES6+, TypeScript, and JSX. In addition to this, you will know how to maintain the application state using Flux and Redux. This course has 4 modules adding up to about 60 hours and 30 minutes. It's divided into 329 lessons, 361 playgrounds, 35 quizzes, 42 challenges, 794 code snippets, and 207 illustrations. React for Beginners, Build an App and Learn the Fundamentals is a popular course on SkillShare. With SkillShare, you will get unlimited access to each class. All its tutors are working professionals and industry leaders who will help you understand React from its core and how to build high-quality apps using the JavaScript library. The course duration is around 1 hour and is suitable for React beginners. It's divided into 18 lessons and includes 2 projects that you'll need to do in order to complete the course successfully. It doesn't distract you with unwanted materials. Instead, you'll get the content that you need in order to build a React app. The prerequisites for learning this course include basic knowledge of JavaScript, CSS, and HTML, while knowing JavaScript ES6+ is advantageous. ReactForBeginners.com is a wonderful website where you can learn React and upgrade your skills. The site claims to teach you React in a couple of afternoons with a step-by-step premium course that will help you create real-world applications in React and Firebase along with site components. This course focuses on readability and simplicity so that you can start creating dynamic website components and applications quickly in real time. You will be developing the Catch of the Day app for a seafood market. It will show the quantity and price of the available products that can vary at any time. You'll be creating an order form, an inventory, and a menu for the products which you can modify and update. This course is for professionals wanting to upgrade their front-end web development skills and build awesome React applications with ease and speed. Here at Kinsta, we take hosting and performance to the next level. With our application hosting, you can run almost any app in a matter of minutes with full support for all your favorite languages and frameworks. And our database hosting allows for easy database creation with full control over every aspect of your project. Explore these features and more at kinsta.com/application-hosting. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials, explainers, and helpful content like this.